Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a frame. We're going to add this frame 4 times. Stretch it just the size. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Okay, so now I'm going to add some image. I'm going to add this one right here. Double click, adjust the size. Done. Now I'm going to add the nails. That's perfect, so I don't have to adjust that one. Now I'm going to add the picture of a closet. Perfect. Now I'm going to add a square. I'm going to put the square at the top. Going to drag it to cover the entire page. Change the color. Now I'm going to turn the transparency down. Okay, so I'm going to add my image. Edit image. Magic grab. So you can either brush or you can either click. I'm going to do click for this video. So you click right here. Click here. Okay, so once that is completed, we're going to get rid of the background. We're going to adjust the size of our image. I'm going to go to edit image. I'm going to scroll to effects, shadows, add an outline. I'm going to change the color to white. I'm going to change the size. Okay, so I'm going to go back to elements and I'm going to add a square. Change the color of the square to white. Adjust the size. I'm going to select the image, bring to front. Now I'm going to add some more elements to give it a nice touch. Alright, so I'm going to add this phone. I'm going to rotate. And make it a bit smaller. Now I'm going to add this star. Just the size. Put it on one of the lens. Okay, so now I'm going to add this arrow. I'm going to change the color to white. Now I'm going to rotate. So I want it on both sides. Okay, so let me adjust the size. Duplicate. Now I'm going to go to flip. Flip vertically. And I'm going to rotate. So I'm going to select the image. Going to go to layers, bring to front. Bring to front. Perfect. Now I'm going to add my text. So I'm going to change the font. I'm going to do milestone script. I'm going to change the color. Now I'm going to go to effects. I'm going to select outline. I'm going to work with this color. Adjust the size. I'm going to duplicate. Edit the text. Vlog. I'm going to bring these down a bit. Now I'm going to add some more text. I'm going to change the color. And I'm going to change the font. So for this one, I'm going to use the font Chewy. Okay, so now I'm going to duplicate the last time, and then I'm going to add a dot. I'm going to change the color of the dot to black. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to add it in the middle. Okay, so now I'm going to add a tripod. I'm going to rotate and make it a bit smaller. Okay, so I'm going to bring this up. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.